When investing in an outdoor living project, you want your investment to last decades and keep the original beautiful appearance. SRW has all the products needed to finish a paver hardscape the right way to ensure a long-lasting project. Due to natural elements, pavers can wear over time, so paver projects require maintenance. After years of foot or vehicle traffic, blistering sun, freezing cold, rain, snow, de-icing salt, grease stains, or other wear and tear on a paver surface, it will deteriorate, even with the best original sealer. Colors in the paver start to fade, surface sheen wears off, and irregularities begin to show. Resealing the surface with the same sealer used years ago just won't cut it. So SRW Products has developed yet another solid solution for better hardscapes. Meet the solution: PRX Paver Restore Extreme. PRX is a pigmented sealer that restores old paver surfaces. The color-reviving technology makes old pavers look new again and adds protection with a high-gloss finish. Not only does it enhance the surface color, but it evens out irregularities that form over time. Follow along as we walk through the steps to apply PRX on an 8-year-old patio. First step, clean the surface. Wait 28 days after installing polymeric sand before sealing. Thoroughly sweep surface of joint sand or loose material. Spot clean if needed with one of SRW's specialty clean products. Then prepare surface with an SRW Products general purpose cleaner. Second step, check the forecast. After cleaning, wait at least 24 hours before sealing. Surface and joints must be completely dry. Recommended application temperatures are 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 27 degrees Celsius, from installation through the cure process. Do not apply if inclement weather is forecasted within 24 hours. Third step, apply PRX. Stir PRX thoroughly. Be sure to stir prior to and during use. Due to pigment, PRX should be blended every 20 minutes. Initially, stir for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Every 20 minutes during use, you should stir for 20 to 30 seconds before pouring. Apply PRX with an SRW Products-approved slit foam roller and sprayer. For best results, spray, then back roll. This prevents an uneven finish. A 2-person application is recommended. Start at the highest project elevation. Do not allow sealer to cool on surface or in joints. Repeat if desired. Final step, allow sealer to cure. Allow sealed area to dry and cure for 24 hours. Protect area from water and rain until dry. Dry tack-free 25 minutes. Foot traffic 24 hours. Vehicle traffic 72 hours. As you can see, PRX really can make your old project look new again. Check out srwproducts.com for more information on PRX Paver Restore Extreme and many other hardscape products.